Are you having trouble with change password on the Threads app? If you can't change your password, the new password isn't being saved, or you are having trouble accessing the password settings, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix change password on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads, as you see here. In this page, you will move to Profile. Here we go to Above to Settings. In this list, you will go to Account Center. In this window, you will find here Change or Password and Security. You will tap here. And then you will find here Change Password. Tap to change it, as you see. So you can choose here Threads and you can change your password. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.